Guys, I just read the news and learned that my favorite food, Subway, is ruined. According to the Supreme Court in Ireland, Subway bread is not legally bread because this is 10% sugar.
Here is a Subway sandwich, but Ireland's Supreme Court ruled that because of the higher level of sugar, they cannot be considered bread.
How much more of our favorite food is manipulated? You may think food manipulation is not a big deal, but to many people, it is a big deal. If you are a Muslim or a Jew who doesn't eat pork, well, good luck avoiding it, because pork is hiding in a lot of food. And I learned this the hard way. One day, I was in a supermarket in the United Arab Emirates. I saw a section for non-Muslims where you can buy only pork products. And I was shocked to see that Pop-Tarts is in that section. My favorite pastry.
Probably gelatin. Gelatin is made from animals' hooves, so it's the feet of pigs.
Yes, gelatin from pork or beef is hiding in a lot of candy and pastry. Forget religion. If you're a vegetarian and you don't eat meat at all, it's even harder to avoid it because food items that look vegetarian secretly have animals in them. This potato chip, it's just potato chips with salt. But if you read the smallest details, you realize this may have animals in it, and they don't call it an animal. They call it E631 or disodium inosiniate, which is a food additive that is made from animal products. But you'll never know that by looking at E631. In other words, this may not be vegetarian. Salad dressings, gummy bears, marshmallows, and even some orange juice may contain animal products. Yes, some orange juice has omega-3 added to it, which, by the way, comes from fish. I have been a vegetarian for almost 1 year now, but almost every day I get scammed into eating meat. This isn't about vegetarians, Muslims, or Jews. This could be about life or death. Some humans literally could die from food ingredients that are not clearly marked, like peanuts. If some people eat peanuts by mistake, they could have a severe allergic reaction and potentially die. That's why it's so important to tell the world what our food is made of.
Essentially, this has pig fat. It looks innocent, like a little nice cornbread. No, you're eating pig fat.
My favorite healthy meal is now 10% sugar and is not even legally bred in Ireland. It is time food companies get rid of the E631, E441, E120, E904 and tell us exactly what is in our food. Because there is nothing more important than knowing what we put in our body. That's more than a minute. See you soon. YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet, tell them stories that you care about, and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours. NAS Academy has a lot of courses that are live. They're not pre-recorded, so there is real people from the NAS Daily team that teach you how to make videos like we do. Give you your voice that you so desperately need in today's world. If you're a business, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a family person, you need a voice on the internet. And NAS Academy helps you get that voice. Click on the link below if you want to see the courses that we offer. We have very limited spots, so grab yours today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video.